Welcome back, guys. As you can see, your girl is in the kitchen cooking again. So today is, what's today? Tuesday. Make sure I tell y'all today is Tuesday. So let me just start off by saying welcome back to my channel. My name is Nisi. For those who don't know, that's Nisi. So today, well, since I just got off, I decided to just come straight in the house, wash my hands, and cook before I sit down. Because if I sit down, it's a wrap. So right now we're cooking pork steaks with sauteed broccoli and loaded mashed potatoes. So I'm gonna let you guys see that once I get done. I just finished washing the dishes, so now I'm gonna kind of clean up before, you know, we actually eat, and I'll be back.
Then dip me underway. You can fill my mouth with flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream for every and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, 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 deep, 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 I wanna breathe deep. Right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my feet, baby. Then dip me underway. You can fill my mouth with flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream for every and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby.
So we just got done fixing the food. We was just warming the food up after it came out the oven because she put cheese in it. She wanted to milk. It looked good.
Girl, get my plate.
That's your plate? Oh, then why you saying that?
Give me that thing, so
Got the good old steak. broccoli, mashed potatoes without the potato.
As someone who resembles someone else, I appreciate that Liberty Mutual knows everyone is unique. That's why they customize your car insurance, so you only pay for what you need. Oh yeah, that's just fine. Only pay for what you need.
Hey guys, so I'm about to get in the tub. I'm done cooking. I'm done cleaning. Now it's time for your girl to lay it down. Fight. If I can jump in bed, I will. But I can't. So if I don't come back tonight, I will most definitely come back tomorrow or before the week is out. Because I'm thinking about doing a weekend vlog. So I'll most definitely come back. I tried to put enough footage in today. But yeah, let me go ahead and get in this tub. See you guys tomorrow.